Meet Alpargali, the ultimate all-weather jacket built to take you anywhere. With over 30 features and 14 handy pockets, Alpargali is meticulously crafted to handle all your everyday adventures. Keep things organized effortlessly with its functional pockets, each designed for specific essentials. The dual-access chest pockets make it easy to grab your phone, passport, AirPods, sunglasses, e-reader, or even a drink on the go. Hand pockets securely hold keys and cameras, plus stash your valuables like your wallet in the interior zipped compartments. And for added security, there's an RFID blocking arm pocket for your cards, while the hidden back pocket is perfect for laptops or water bottles. The sleeve pocket provides instant access to transit cards. Alpargali from sustainable, dual-layer 100% nylon 70D. Alpargali offers top-tier 15K waterproof and breathability protection, keeping you comfortable in any weather. Stay protected with our WindGuard high neck and adjustable hood, designed to block out rain, wind, and snow. Adapt seamlessly with features designed for versatility. Whether you're hiking, commuting, or traveling. Our innovative design includes extendable hand-warming cuffs for colder weather and a removable elastic shoulder strap for enhanced air circulation and hands-free carrying. Adjustable hem drawstrings, YKK waterproof zippers, underarm vents, and versatile Velcro cuff adjustments ensure maximum comfort during all your activities. And with two sides of 180-degree white-sided windows, you'll never miss a beat. Whether you're navigating busy streets or trails, stay visible and safe with reflective night visibility prints. Meticulously designed for supreme mobility and comfort, Alpargali is ready for whatever adventure comes your way. Join us in revolutionizing outdoor apparel. Support the Alpargali jacket on Kickstarter today and step confidently into your next adventure with the ultimate in protection and style. Let's make this revolutionary jacket a reality together.